Hello everyone, this is VP Kulkarni from PM Shri School, JNV Dharashu, with my new video, Extension of Pythagoras Theorem. I know, as soon as you hear the word Pythagoras Theorem, the first thing that comes in your mind is the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the remaining two sides, as is shown in this video. But if I say that it can be further extended for all regular polygons, all equilateral triangles, all semicircles and also all circles. So today in this video we will see the extension of Pythagoras theorem to regular polygons, to circles, to semicircles as well as equilateral triangle one by one. So keep watching till the end.
Myself Manu.
And myself Brendan.
Today I am explaining the Pythagoras theorem of pentagon. This is rectangle triangle, hypotenuse 5, base 3 cm and perpendicular side is 4 cm. This is the pentagon, its side is 5 cm. This is also pentagon, its size is 4 cm. And other pentagon, its side is 3 cm. The area of the pentagon X and the area of the pentagon Y is equal to the area of the pentagon Z.
And myself Prince. Today I can explain you Pythagoras theorem of hexagon. Now it is a right angle triangle whose base is 3 cm, perpendicular side is 4 cm and hypotenuse is 5 cm. Now it is a hexagon whose side is 5 cm. It is second hexagon whose side is 3 cm. Now it is another hexagon whose side is 4 cm. Now we put like that. Now we can say that the sum of area of hexagons lies on base and perpendicular side is equal to the area of hexagon lies on hypotenuse.
Triangle A side is 3 cm, B 4 cm and C 5 cm.
This is heptagon A has 3 cm side.
Heptagon C, this is side 5 cm. And heptagon B, this is side 4 cm. Area of heptagon C is equal to area of heptagon A plus area of heptagon B.
ये एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है जिसकी साइड 4 सेंटीमीटर, 3 सेंटीमीटर और 5 सेंटीमीटर है। यह एक ऑक्टागन है जिसकी साइड 5 सेंटीमीटर है। यह भी ऑक्टागन है जिसकी साइड 4 सेंटीमीटर है। यह भी ऑक्टागन है जिसकी साइड 3 सेंटीमीटर है। हाइपोटेनियस वाले ऑक्टागन जिसकी साइड 5 सेंटीमीटर है उसका एरिया जो परपेंडिकुलर साइड वाले ऑक्टागन जिसकी साइड 4 सेंटीमीटर है उसके और ऑक्टागन जेड जिसकी साइड 3 सेंटीमीटर है उसके बराबर होगा।
I have to say in English, this is a right angle triangle. The length of the hypotenuse is 5 cm, the perpendicular side is 4 cm and the base is 3 cm. Now what he has drawn is, here is an octagon whose sides are 5 cm. I am placing the octagon on the hypotenuse. You can see here, this is another octagon whose each side is 3 cm. I am placing this on the base and there is an octagon whose each side is 4 cm. Now when I place this here, what we will get is, the result that we are going to get is, the area of the octagon on the hypotenuse is equal to the area of octagon on the perpendicular side and the base. If I consider the area of the hypotenuse as x, octagon as x, area of the octagon on the perpendicular side as y and area of the octagon on the base as z, then the x will be equal to y plus z.
This is a right angle triangle.
hypotenuse is 10 centimeter, base is 6 centimeter, and perpendicular side is 8 centimeter. It is a semicircle, its diameter is 10 centimeter and radius is 5 centimeter.
It is semicircle. Its diameter is 8 centimeter and radius is 4 centimeter. And it is semicircle. Diameter is 6 centimeter and radius is 3 centimeter.
We put on the semicircle C in the hypotenuse and B is the perpendicular side and A is the base. And C, area of semicircle C is equals to semicircle A plus semicircle B.
So what he wants to say here is, there is a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 10 centimeter, perpendicular side is 8 centimeter, and base is 6 centimeter. A semicircle is drawn with the diameter 8 centimeter or radius 4 centimeter, diameter 10 centimeter and radius 5 centimeter. It is placed on the hypotenuse. Another semicircle whose radius is 8 centimeter, 4 centimeter is placed on the perpendicular side, and we are placing a semicircle whose radius is 3 centimeter or diameter is 6 centimeter on the base. Now if I consider the area of the semicircle on the hypotenuse as C and perpendicular as B and the area on the base as A, then C is equal to B plus C, B plus A. That means area of the semicircle on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the areas of the semicircle on the perpendicular side plus area of the semicircle on the base. After seeing this video, we can conclude that in a right angle triangle, area of any regular polygon on hypotenuse is equal to sum of areas of the polygons on the other two sides. Second conclusion is area of semicircles or circle on hypotenuse equal to sum of areas on the remaining two semicircles or circles on the other two sides. Area of equilateral triangle on hypotenuse is equal to sum of areas of equilateral triangle on remaining two sides. Thus, final conclusion is area of any regular polygon, semicircles or circles or equilateral triangle on hypotenuse equal to sum of the areas of the remaining two sides. Of course, needless to say, same type of polygon.